G'day guys, Ben here from Solar & Sat, and today in the workshop we've got this Fiat Avan motorhome where we've installed the full Victron lithium system to the inside of it. Let's go wander in and see what's involved. First up here we've got the Victron GX Touch 50. This little fella here is responsible for the control of your system as well as all your monitoring side of things. So what you can actually do up here is you can see exactly what your battery percentage is, what your DC loads are, what your AC loads are, how much solar is going in, as well as what your DC-DC charger is providing in. You can also completely turn your inverter on and off remotely just by touching this screen here. Another one of the many features that comes with these Cerbo systems is the remote management feature. What this actually does is it allows us or the customer to remotely see what their system's up to and control it and make small tweaks as required. You can see here any changes I make on my laptop is sent through the internet to the Cerbo system. Now this system here has been designed with some very particular requirements in mind. The customer, due to some health issues, has to be able to run their blender whenever they want, wherever they may be. So to accomplish that, we run 600 watts of solar on the roof, a DC-DC charger, a big 3 kVA inverter charger that's wired up to all their power points. We've designed this system with Victron gear from start to finish. With 5 years warranty, they're certainly the most reliable gear in the industry. The customer won't be having any power issues, that's for sure. So if you have a particular need or requirement for your own setup, come see us at Solar & Sat and we'll custom design a system to suit you.